Mitch, this is an XYZ SLX 555 lathe.
Yep.
How long have you had this machine?
We've had this machine now for about 5-6 years.
And what's principally the reason behind the purchase?
We bought this machine basically to replace the one we have behind us and improve times on the machining and also use of less tooling, really.
It's some component you've got on there. What is it?
It is. That is Inconel. It's a piston rod with an integrated piston on, and it's very tough stuff.
I was going to say, when it comes to cutting that, what sort of depths of cut are you able to achieve?
We can achieve, on here, we can achieve 5 mil. I mean, we've got the ability to close the door, so you've got the safety of that too.
And with the change in process, really, by using this machine now, what have you seen as a business as the improvements, productivity-wise? I mean, what has it enabled you to do?
Well, if you look at the end of the piston rod there, you can see we've got a radius there, which back in the day you would have had to use a form tool. We can actually use one single tool now to do that radius.
So, and you could do lots of different radiuses with that tool.
Oh, definitely, yeah. Different sizes, different types of radiuses, different forms. Now,
it strikes me that we've got a component like that that's worth a lot of money, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to have a smash or make a mistake. So
No,
what does the SLX control from XYZ, the ProtoTrack SLX control, give you to make that not happen?
Well, you've got a function on the control called a verify part, which you can run through the component before you actually touch metal.
Let me have a look.
Okay.
So run through a verification process.
Okay, let me just switch that off so there's no noise. If I go into setup and verify part, this will basically show you everything before you start cutting metal, and it will run through the process of every individual tool and cutting part without actually touching metal, and it will also show you if there's any errors.
So if there are any errors, it will flag it, and then you know to either correct them in the program.
Yes, yeah. So it saves a lot of time making mistakes, really.
Let's come back to this machine. What would you be machining to tolerance-wise? I mean, we've spoken about the component in the chart, but what are you looking to achieve from a result perspective?
I mean, you can hold anything between 2 thou to a couple of tenths, really. So and it does hold it well.
Some lathe you've got here.
Yes, it is very big.